Okay, in this video I'm going to share to you about how to make the emerging private villa in SketchUp. Okay, first of all we can make the rectangle in here and just make the rectangle on this position in here. Then we can click and push it up in here. Okay, we can push it up around 5 meter in here on the position, and we can add more 2 meter. Enter. Then we can triple click and then just make group in here. Okay, then now we can make the modern shaping in here. We can make the shaping just like this. Now we can push it to the behind in here, and then we can make the proportion of the height of this building in here. So the height of this building it's around 12 meter over there. Okay, then now we can make the line, the position. Okay, then now we can push it to the front in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the line in here. Okay, and make the vertical line and push it to the another side in here. Okay, and then now we can make the line on the position and make the line to the position in here. Okay, then now we can make the line in here. Then now we can select the line and the line, and select move, tab control. Okay, and then now we can select the glazing and select the glazing just like this, and now we can select the line and select move, tab control, and just place, type 5/ and enter in here. Okay, then now we can select the vertical line in here and select move, tab control. Then now we can 3/ and enter in here. Okay, now we can also set up about the another elements like this. Push it to the another side in here and push it to the another side. Okay, and make the rectangle over there in this position in here. Okay, we can make group. Okay, then now we can select the another stone in here. We can set up about the stone in here over the position and make the rectangle and push it to another side in here and make group. Okay, then now we can select the color and okay, now we can set up about the travertine and just place. Okay, and then now we can select this stone in here. Okay, now we can set up about this stone over there, and now we can set up the dimension. We can type 5,000 millimeter of the stone. Okay, and then now we can make again. Okay, we can make this one and just scale just like this. Okay, now we can make the large swimming pool in here over there and offset it outside a little bit in here. Okay, now we can select the water, select the pool, and we can draw the freehand. We can make the grid landscape in here and select the landscaping and assign about the landscaping materials. And okay, now we can make group. Okay, then now we can assign about the materials or component. Okay, now we can just select about the component in here and reposition about this tree in here and assign about the people on this position in here. Okay, but now we can add more impressive vertical line in here. Okay, we can make component and then just create, select move, tab control, type / and enter in here. Okay, now we can assign about to be a wood materials in here. Okay, just like this. Then now we can add more rectangle to make the crown, push it up in here. Okay, and make the support in here. Okay, just like this. And then now we can add more signage in here. Okay, we can make group and we can add a travertine stone in here, and okay, we can make the hole in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial in here. And now we can activate about the shadow just like this, and assign about the shadow position over there, and set up about the profiles until just like this. Thank you very much.